Hello everyone, in this video we would like to share the work that we finished in the Mercedes C63 AMG 2011 model, and the car comes with the standard pop-up LCD screen from factory before, and at this moment it's already been fully fit with the new 10.2-inch head-unit screen with the wireless Apple CarPlay as you see on the screen, and wireless Android Auto and USB and the camera upgrade. So everything is fully fit into the car and ready to go, and beautifully set up. You can see it is very nice, very nice. It fits perfectly into the place and looks like factory fit. And yes, everywhere the color is matching to the dash like factory fit before. So yeah, there's no question that this one looks very like it was come out with the car before. So basically the system is very responsive, very easy to go, and also all the connection here from the factory, this dialing knob, you can see that it works well when I turn the knob, and also I can come back to the factory screen before by the knob control over here. I can come back to that factory screen, very easy to go. Okay, so it integrates the new system and use the new system and the old system together, just from the factory control, steering wheel control, and the dialing knob control and menu and thing. So it's the combination of the classic from the car and the new system like this, and I can easily come back to the Apple CarPlay from here. So yeah, that's the thing. And now talking about the reverse camera, is the camera that we already upgrade the new Full HD anti-glare and super night vision one into the same factory location and make it looks like factory fit. So basically I can come out and have a show here. This is how the new camera stay. Okay, so you can see that it is the one, and this AMG. Yep, so we have the reverse camera comes up, and here is the dynamic steering wheel guy. Yeah, we normally work in our workshop, but today actually this one stay in our private garage to finish the job, just for the purpose. So yep, you can see it works very well, very nice, and super sharp, super clear on the screen day and night time. This camera is far better than the factory camera before. Yeah, that's about the system, and this is the wireless Apple CarPlay review. We will make the new video for the Android Auto quickly, and yeah, this is the one we have for the W204 Mercedes C63 AMG. So the sound setup from the top screen integrate into the car, very, very nice. So you don't lose the sound quality, you get very, very nice sounds setup at the end. So yep, everything over here, radio, DICs and so on, still working, and the top one integrate and make it works nicely. So once again, thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.